I'm about to tell you the best side hustle that's happening right now. And guess what? Anyone can do it. I'll let you know what it is right after this intro. Thanks for returning back to the channel. Before we get started, go ahead and press that like button. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if this is your first time here, this is the place for entrepreneurship, for like business funding and making money online. So go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can stay connected. All right, so what is this new side hustle that hardly anybody is talking about? Well, it is called LiveGood. All right, now with LiveGood, basically your first step is to watch the video that is right below here. Also, I'm going to put some snippets on the screen, but you want to watch that video. You want to learn exactly how much extra money you can make. And this could even turn into a full-time hustle. Who knows? But your first step is to watch the video so you can get all the information and all the details. Secondly, you want to secure your position. Now, what does that mean exactly? When you watch that video, right, on the side, it's going to ask you to enter your name and your email address. Now, that is kind of pre-subscribing, pre-enrolling into the membership club, which I'll tell you about in 1 second. But go ahead and secure your position, because if you decide to become a member at a later date, you will be able to make money based on your team and the time frame in which you originally enrolled. So this is a very important step that you don't want to skip. As soon as you watch the video, go ahead and enter your name and email address. This is leaving money on the table if you don't. So your next step, after you watch the video, after you pre-enroll, and after you become a full member, all you have to do is just tell more people about it. It's that simple. That's why this is absolutely the best side hustle of 2023, and hardly anybody's talking about it yet. But guess what? Once everybody starts talking about it, that means it might be too late, or that means you definitely left a lot of money on the table. LiveGood is expecting 1 million people to join this year, so secure your position right away. All right, so why do I think LiveGood is one of the best side hustles happening in 2023? Well, number one, there aren't many side hustles where you can actually get paid based on your team efforts, okay? And this is called the matrix. So when you sign up under me using my link, you want to be on my team, right? But once you sign up under my link, we'll be a team, and you could actually get bonus money based on any work that I do and the people in our circle, in our matrix. So that is all I have to say today about the best side hustle of 2023. Tell me, which part excites you a little bit more? Is it making money based on your team matrix, or is it the cost, the super low membership cost of $9.95? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video about the best side hustle of 2023. I'm Katina Willis, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.